What I honestly love about Prestige Properties is that it's a different atmosphere here than a normal brokerage.
I love everybody here. They've been so welcoming to me.
Everyone's always helping each other out, supporting each other.
You always have one team rather than competing within your office.
We use some of the greatest technologies that there is in the industry. It's all state-of-the-art, really unique stuff.
We have a great CRM. We have an AI bot who will reach out to your clients on your behalf.
The cutting-edge CRM that we use, Client Relationship Manager, it really helps us manage our relationships with all of our clients. Our appointments, our calendar, it keeps everything streamlined and efficient.
Because there is constant training, constant communication going on. We're all on every day holding each other accountable through Zooms.
The coaching which Prestige has provided me has made me much more confident.
Prestige really focuses on developing the agents, no matter their level of experience.
The team is really great. Everyone's super helpful. You can go to any agent or the broker for help at any time and know that someone genuinely wants you to succeed.
Everyone's so cool here. Everyone really gets along. Everyone is great people. That's the biggest thing when I meet with someone to see if they're ready to be a Prestige agent. We have systems that provide quick onboarding just to get them up to speed, and then also for agents that have been in the business to be able to utilize our systems that are the best systems in real estate in the industry. So as far as lead generation goes, we have the most lead generation coming in from multiple sources. Here at Prestige, we are linked up with the Tom Ferry organization, which has some hands down the best coaches in America for real estate, and I know that's really doubled my business as a real estate professional, and I provide that for the agents to be able to really take their business to the next level.